Hello viewers, welcome to Mufti Farm's YouTube channel. Today it's about love. I am gonna talk on lovebirds. Kindly subscribe and like this video before we move on. Lovebirds are small parrot species known for their affectionate and social behavior. They are native to Africa and belong to the genus Agapornis. Lovebirds are popular pets due to their charming personalities and the strong bond they form with their owners. Overall, lovebirds make delightful and loving companions for those who are willing to invest time and attention in their care. However, potential owners should be prepared for the responsibilities of keeping these social birds happy and healthy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.